Introducing ABA Teaching Secrets, Teaching Strategies for Parents and Teachers of Children with Autism. This collection of ABA teaching secrets, developed by board-certified behavior analyst Dr. Susan Catlett, offers a comprehensive toolkit for supporting children with autism and other neurodivergent conditions in developing essential life skills. The strategies cover a wide range of areas, from teaching toileting behaviors to turn-taking to following directions and more. Practical tools such as IEP goals, visual supports, and ABA data tracking sheets are provided to help parents and educators implement these strategies effectively. With clear, systematic teaching steps and helpful hints, these resources ensure that children can progress in a structured and supportive environment, making learning both achievable and enjoyable. Explore all of our teaching secrets by visiting the website at abateachingsecrets.com to discover even more effective strategies for supporting your child.